Welcome to another 1 Minute Wednesday, where we try our best to cover one of Desk Director's many features in about a minute. Today, we'll talk about our guide on getting started with the email template engine. Let's explore how to enhance your email communications. Desk Director email templates combine MJML and Liquid for flexibility and functionality. This allows you to create dynamic emails that look great and perform well. Manage your templates in the admin console under Email, then Custom Template. You'll find categories like System, Global Ticket, and more, each with specific events. Variables or tokens personalize your emails. Easily add details like contact, first name to make your messages more engaging. The preview feature lets you see changes in real time. Use Split View for a side-by-side look at your code and the resulting email. Once a template is ready, apply it to notification events to enhance your communication strategy across Desk Director. For advanced customization, modify the email subject using tokens. Go to the Settings tab, specify your template, and preview it with dynamic subject lines. Enhance branding by incorporating company logos and colors dynamically. Modify portal links using the Deep Link filter to tailor navigation within emails. That's all for today's 1 Minute Wednesday. With these tools, you can create customized, effective email templates. Thanks for watching, and start improving your email communications with Desk Director today.